In this video, we will be making a UniPhi template. Start by clicking the hamburger menu and go into Configuration. Scroll down to Templates. Here you will see all your existing templates which can be edited. To make a new one, press the plus or add icon. Give your template a name and description of how it should be used. When you have entered the necessary details, press the save icon. This is where you will begin to make the template steps. Start with a name and description. Then select the input type for this step. The rich text box is a very useful control where standard text can be entered into the template. Template variables can then be used to automatically populate the document with project-specific information. When pressing the $sign, the template variables will be divided into categories to help you find what you are looking for. This could be anything from dates, to client names, or contract details. Once you have entered everything you need for the step, press the Save and Next icon to create a new step. Many template inputs automatically populate the document with information entered elsewhere in UniPhi, such as contract deliverables. You can also add a file upload input so that the document creator can attach necessary files such as images or related documents. Once you have created all the steps, press the Complete button. Here, you can adjust the output order and create an auto name for the documents created with this template. You should also select the access level of the users that are allowed to sign off this document. Press Finish when you are done, and you will be able to view your new template in the list. Thank you for watching this UniPhi tutorial.